Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button, select power off, and when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. I'm sorry for the camera trying to focus on literally a matte display and losing somehow to that. It's literally matte. There is no reflection. Please just focus right here. There we go. So anyway, from here we're gonna hold those two buttons, power and volume up. And you want to let go of the power button when you see the HUAWEI logo on a display. Now when this disappears, we shortly will be taken to the recovery mode. So you can let go of the volume up. And again, camera please. There is something on the screen. There we go. So in here, all you want to do is select safe mode. Now before you do that, you might want to grab earplugs because Winnie the Pooh is getting a little bit deaf onto his ears. So HUAWEI, which is one of the probably most sold devices or brands in China, I guess needed to make up for his hearing loss. So be warned, this is going to be loud for no reason with no control to turn it down. My God, there we go. So you can see we're now in safe mode, and in this mode only the pre-installed applications will function, which looks like the ones that won't work, which have been downloaded after you were setting up the device, because you are forced to connect to the network. These are downloaded while you're doing a setup, but they are being downloaded. So in safe mode they just straight up disappear. You can see we have a lot of empty space. That's the space where typically I would have applications. So if you have some kind of app that is causing you problems, to get rid of it you need to go into the settings and then something like apps. Oh, there we go, apps and services, and then apps. And here you'll find every single app. For instance, this garbage right here, you can see it's installed but it doesn't show up anywhere here. So it is one of the apps that is disabled. Was it this? No, that was something else. Okay, so these are disabled in safe mode. You can get rid of them, but you won't be able to run any app that is considered third party, aka download it, just download it in any kind of way. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is hold your power button, and this time around we're going to select restart. And again, brace yourself for the loud volume. And there we go. I do want to point out, I am talking straight to the microphone at a distance of like 10 centimeters. This is on a table and it's nearly peaking the mic, so that's great. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.